Go.
Hi, here we are at Shining Light Farm and we're going to check our bees. This will be the first time we checked our bees since we installed this nuke a month ago, exactly a month ago. So let's see what happens. I'm very excited. So first we're going to smoke them. We have a lot of activity going in the hive and that's really good. And then going to lift off the top a little bit and put some smoke underneath here. Ooh, they are building like crazy. I can already tell getting in.
So this is how many weeks after we bought these
This
bees?
is exactly a month.
It's 4 weeks after we bought them.
Yep, got some spottage going on here.
And there's a lot of activity, as you can see. The bees are coming in, landing.
Oh, I'm gonna have to pry this top off because can you see right here? They've you might want to come to this side here.
Okay.
You can see that they've built comb covering the top. Look.
Oh wow. Yikes. I don't know if you guys can see this. They built comb on the top. This is called the inner cover.
Yeah, the inner cover.
They're using propolis, or their wax, basically. Ooh, here we go. The grand reveal.
Look at the honey.
Oh my gosh, honey already?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah, we're gonna need to put another box on, I think.
Wow. Look at all that comb that they're building. All over. Wow.
Alright, so I'm gonna set the inner cover down. Wow, look at all this.
Now is that bad that they...
Yeah, because it sticks it all together, so we really don't want that to happen. Look at the honey there.
is that honey on there?
Yeah, that's honey.
Liquid honey.
Set that right there. Alright, let's see. Oh wow, I can already see before I even pull it. I can see that, yeah, we need to put another box on this already.
So we'll need to put another box of brood chamber on top of this one, because they're already filling out those frames with the... Holy moly, Lori, look at that. Whoa, cray cray. Wow. They have built that out like crazy. Is that all honey?
Yep, all honey. They've capped this honey too.
They've capped it, which means that the honey's at the right, not humidity, but moisture content. When they fan it off if it's too liquidy, and then once it's the right humidity or right moisture content, then they'll cap it off.
This is all honey.
No brood though.
I don't see any brood, and well, look, here's pollen. See the pollen here? Look.
Yeah.
Look here.
Where?
They're building a what is this they're building?
Queen super?
A queen cell.
Is that a queen cell?
Yeah, but there's nothing in it, so that's good. Let's get rid of that just in case.
Okay.
So this is the, like, kind of the middle, the next to the last frame.
Mm-hmm.
Here.
Being very gentle to...
You know what, that's, I didn't see the queen on there. No, so it was right there.
So we have design flaw in the stand already.
I forgot to bring the stand holder with me.
Oh.
Really kind of my
Is that
fault.
part of your kit?
Yeah, it's over in my...
On the golf cart?
Yeah, it's
Go
alright.
get it.
Now this is the
Wow.
outside frame.
That's the outside frame, and it looks like
they've
they're
already...
building out
Yep.
the foundation, the wax foundation we put in. They're adding to it, building on that base to make more cells.
Yep.
There's way more bees in here than a month
we
ago.
Need to, we for
Show
sure...
that honey in
like
there.
all the honey they've capped.
Yeah.
So we for sure need
It's
to
all
put...
capped honey, and then this is liquid. You can see it reflecting.
We need to put another box on here for sure.
Okay.
So we'll need to come back in a little bit with another box.
Are we being super careful not to smush the bees? Oh, good job, babe. You're doing. You're
Yeah, I feel like
you're looking like you know what you're doing.
I felt like I should have asked someone to come with me to do this, but I did it, so.
Ah, there's brood.
Yep.
Brood meaning eggs.
Yep.
So the previous 2 frames all had honey on them. These ones have brood, or the egg chambers.
Mm-hmm.
You looking for your queen?
I am.
She should
Now,
have
do
a
you
red
see-
dot on her, right?
This one showed you, Alex. Now these are drone cells. Can you see right here how they're bigger? These are drone cells.
Yeah.
Wow, these bees are so docile too. This is really awesome.
Yeah. Look how dark that.
There she is.
There she is, the queen bee.
There's
Can
our
you see her?
queen.
Where's she at? I'm trying to get her in the
Can you see her?
frame. Right where the corner of that shadow is.
Yeah.
You see the red dot on her.
Yep. So
Awesome.
I'm looking to see. Well, what I've.
What is that big old? Oh, that's the
That's
queen.
That's
Oh.
her, yeah.
I'm gonna put the corner of the shadow right on her so you can see her.
Yep. So our
Over the
queen
corner
is
of that
laying. You see some brood here.
Yep, she's
Right,
definitely
I'm
laying.
gonna be really careful we don't smush her.
Alright, good job.
I'm gonna come to this other outside frame here. I think it's time to add another box there for sure.
Yeah.
Because look here, you can see when I get this one out here. Oops, maybe they'll be. Don't want to smush anybody today. Look how much they built this out. So these were completely brand new. These were our brand new frames that we added.
A month ago, these were nothing like this. They were just foundation,
Yep.
and they built all that and filled all that honey up in the
Yep.
last month, in the last 4 weeks.
Look at this.
They built that up as well. Is that capped honey?
No, this is the
Foundation?
yeah, the foundation. They haven't started building on
that
this side.
just the
Mhm.
other side.
This
okay.
is the outside, so
The very, very
it's kind of
outside.
not unusual. But
Okay.
you can see here, you have lots and lots of
Right.
honey, capped honey.
Right. Okay. Well, that's good, right?
Yeah.
So they're only building honey. They're putting honey on here now because there is no upper super. This is like the entire hive. So you notice that they put the brood on one frame, and it's probably more frames than that.
Oops. Okay, there's
Just gonna put that on the ground. You just gonna put that on the ground, or
Yeah, I'm pulling this off because I need to put another frame on top.
keep in mind the wind's blowing this way, so you
Right.
want to smoke them from the other side.
I'm gonna go ahead and get all this off because when we put the other box, I'm gonna go get another box to put on here. This is gonna keep it from sitting flat. So I need to get all this off. Sorry, such a waste of honey, I know, but
If you just set that on the ground, they'll get it though.
yeah, I'm setting it right here. Don't see a lot of brood because it looks like they're filling up with honey so fast.
Well, you also didn't
Oh
inspect
no, I'm not done.
all. You didn't inspect all of them other frames. You just got the outside 2 on this side, the outside frame on the other side.
But really, we don't have to inspect them all. We can tell by the number of bees she's doing her job, and we found her. So that's the other big thing.
There, isn't that brood right there?
Yep. Oh wow.
So that brood's looking really good.
Really good. It's a little spotty, but not bad. See, they've made some more queen cells, but there's nothing in them, so that's okay. They just kind of practice that. But I don't want anything to make them, so I'm going to get rid of them. See, there's nothing in them. Wow. Yeah, so this hive's really good. We don't even need to go any further, to be honest.
I think the minimum disturbance is probably best.
Alright, so I'm just going to scrape this off a little bit, and we definitely need to put another box on this.
Okay. Is that it for this video?
Yep, that's it. See ya.
Awesome job, babe.